Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Fable 5 and ChatGPT 5.6 completely for free. First, head over to v0.app. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one. Once you've signed in and accepted the terms and conditions, you'll have access to both Claude Fable 5 and ChatGPT 5.6. You can use whichever model you prefer, but in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude Fable 5. After using some tokens, let me show you what it can do. I asked the model to create a small game similar to Angry Birds. Let's see how it performs. I'll fast forward this part so you don't have to wait. After a few minutes, it generated a small playable game. It's pretty simple and a bit boring, but that's because I didn't give it a very detailed prompt. With a better prompt, you can get much better results. Overall, this model is really good, so I definitely recommend giving it a try. Now, let's move on to the second website. Head over to GitLab and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Start Free Trial button. Click on it and fill in the required details to activate your free trial. To use the AI models, you'll first need to verify your account. Click on Verify My Account, select your country, and enter your mobile number. Once you receive the OTP, enter it to complete the verification process. After that, your account will be verified and you'll be ready to use the models. Once your account is verified, you'll have access to a wide range of AI models. You can choose whichever model you want to use. GitLab provides access to multiple Claude models as well as multiple ChatGPT models, so you can experiment with different options and pick the one that works best for your needs. I'll choose Claude Fable 5 just to demonstrate that it's working. I won't create another game this time since we've already done that in the previous demo. Now, let me switch to the ChatGPT 5.6 model. I'll send it a simple prompt just to demonstrate that it's working as well. This is only a quick demo to show that you can use both models without any issues. Now, let's move on to the third website. Head over to Tasklet.ai and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you've signed in, you'll see a variety of AI models available to use. You can try them for free, but keep in mind that there's a limited amount of free credits available.